How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Dilophosaurus. It's a dinosaur, of course. It was in Jurassic Park, the first movie. And we're going to draw the more realistic version of it, though, the without the fan kind of thing. And in Jurassic Park, it had like a fan head. But that's it. Okay, we're going to draw just the head part of it. We're going to go over drawing the entire dinosaurs later, but right now we're just going over this. Really simple. So it's only about 10 minutes, so stick around for the entire video, all the way to the very end. And by the very end, in 10 minutes, you will have a new skill. All right? So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and draw like a curved line over here for the front of the snout. I'm going to pull it back a little bit more. Curve here, bottom of the front of the lip. Ooh, also, I forgot to mention, if you like learning how to draw, dinosaurs or your favorite characters in general, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. The bell notification is going to let you know when I post. The other thing is, if you like dinosaurs, right? If you like the topic of this, hit the like. Hit the like right now. Like literally hit the like right now if you enjoy dinosaurs, because then I can draw more of them. Okie dokie. Let's get back to this. Just pulling across here, the mouth. It's going to pull up just a bit, pull down. Gonna go up over here and I'm gonna draw the crest right here. He's got this cool looking double crest thing going on. So that's like one, right? It's almost like a loaf of bread stuck in his head. Gonna draw maybe like a straight line-ish there going on up until I hit the point where his brow breaks into it. You know, brow's the top of the eye. Over here, drawing that peanut eye kind of shape, like any, you know, as like pretty much like a human eye. Pupil, iris. Well, not even iris. It's just a pupil, really. Going over here, drawing the nasal, the nose part, and we're gonna draw the other crest on the other side. So we're gonna draw it over here. And maybe we could draw it over here, like it's really flaring out on the other side over there. I'm going to give this, I don't know, I'm saying loaf of bread. I'm going to give this some depth by drawing a line like so. So it's going to have some depth. Pulling down here. Back of the neck area. So that's kind of where the ear is. So back of the head area. Back of the neck. It's not the back of the neck. Pulling out a little bit, and this is the back of the neck. Curving down, in, over here. I'm going to draw a line right here for that skin part when a dinosaur opens its mouth or a lizard opens its mouth. And on the front, I'm going to draw the teeth. Just triangle shapes, but I'm going to vary up the size of them. Right? I'm varying up the size. Back out here. Down. Out over here. Down. Okay, that's the lower lip. All right, let's pull into the teeth here on the bottom part as well. Again, trying to vary up the sizes a little bit as much as I can. And I'm going to throw a row of teeth in the back over here. Line over there for the tongue on the inside. All right, doing pretty good. Pulling back here for the bottom part of the jaw. Up here. Line over here, and then up. Going over here, and I'm going to draw like It's not just gonna be like a pencil neck kind of thing. I want him to have like the throat because that's normal, right? Like other animals, and it's gonna pull down. That's a huge common mistake I see where they'll just go like draw like a I don't know, like a stick figure head or something, neck lines down here to the neck, like the kind of cord down there. And from this point on, it's really just detail. So we're gonna draw maybe the bag under the eye, maybe some flare, like thin lines. Thin lines, by the way, thin. Keep them thin because this is all detail. What we're doing now, thinner. If these lines are thinner, they'll come out as detail. If they're thicker, they'll become too dominant, and the viewer will look at them first, and it'll be like, ew, what is all this like mumps or something on them? So everything thinner though is detail. Maybe like this kind of thing to show that flat it's a flat side of bread there. I would say the bread thing. I don't know, the bread thing, it just really feels like two loaves of bread on its head. And you could even like darken to make one look behind the other. You could thicken the line here on the front a little bit, and it'll make the other one look a little bit more in the back because that's kind of what we were trying to do, right? And what you can do here is pull thin lines around like the folding of the neck. You see this on like animals today. Ooh, marker was dying a little bit. And you could fill in stuff here as well. So that's the far side teeth, right? And you want them to push back into space. Throwing a little more of these kind of bottom curls almost. And what it is, it's like the light hitting like a scale, and only hitting that part, like the darkness only hitting the bottom part of the scale because the light source is coming from above. And so you want to put this not everywhere, but put it enough so that where it doesn't look like hair. You want to put it enough spots. Oopsie daisy. And you could even darken up the eye a little bit just to make it look deeper in the pitted in the eye there a little bit. And from here you can just do a lot of stuff. You could maybe try to give that ridge some definition, or right here. And that's pretty much it, by the way. That is a Dilophosaurus. He's got a very notable crest, and that's really what will make him stand out. You can draw maybe a thicker line here under the neck to show that there's some shadow. That does make it look better because the light source is coming from above. All right. That is it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. If you love dinosaurs, like I say, hit me up. Give me some ideas for dinosaurs. There's some here I got to fulfill because there's a few people that requested dinosaurs, and now I got to fulfill those. But yeah, thank you so much. Ask me again if I haven't fulfilled the dinosaur. Put in the comments. If you got value from this video, there's one thing you can do for me, and that is share the video. It takes 2 seconds. Maybe go to the bottom right-hand corner, and then press the share button and share it on Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest or any social network. It will absolutely do so much. You will not believe, for at least on this end. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and keep it easy, okay, guys? Keep the drawing easy.